Hey, my name is James Allen. I'm a content creator just like you. Whether you're aspiring to start your own business, teaching things online, or you're already in the game looking to grow, this channel is for you. Each week, I'm publishing videos to help you work fewer hours, grow your income, and build an online business around what you know, love, and are good at. Now, I'm not claiming to be the guru who's at the top of the mountain telling you what to do with a megaphone. Consider me more the guy who's scaling the mountain with you, saying, watch your step, there's something coming up ahead. Look, I know the frustration, I know the overwhelm, and the uncertainties that come with starting and growing an online business. In 2018, I left construction work to start my own online business, and it was really hard because I had no idea what I was doing. I didn't know how to get clients consistently, how to get my message to the right people, or how to sell digital products on autopilot. I had to learn all of this the hard way. My goal for this channel is to give you everything that I know and continue to learn to make earning a legitimate income online a whole lot easier for you. So let's get started building your business together. Hit subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.